It's Monday. It's dialysis day again. Hospital lunch for today. I have 2 hard bread with plenty of butter. I have creamy baked fish, some broccoli and cauliflower, of course, potatoes. Potato is our rice here. So let's eat. And my first bite here. Now I finished, but the potatoes I did not eat. Of course, after meal, we always have dessert. My dessert for today is cinnamon bread. And I ordered black coffee. Now my coffee has served. It's time to enjoy. And I'm truly Filipino. This very typical Filipino does. Dip the bread in a warm coffee. And soon, I will be finished and will be home. Thank you for watching. Till then again.